I'm Kate McLeod, creator and formulator of the Body Stone. The Body Stone is a solid cocoa butter-based moisturizer that is specially formulated to melt right on contact with your skin. It uses your body heat and it glides on just like silk. There's nothing thick or sticky about this. We don't use wax, we don't use gums, and we don't use stabilizers, which we're really, really proud of. The flip side of that is that this can actually melt in extreme heat. And we have had some crazy weather over the past few years. So this year, we are really excited. I am so excited. It is the first year that we are offering a no melt guarantee. I'd like to talk to you about our cool shipping option. What we have here. These liners are sustainable, biodegradable. They are made from 100% non-GMO corn, and honestly, they're really, really cool. They dissolve right on contact with water. It's a really fun magic trick. Ollie and I have either thrown them in the sprinkler in our yard or put them in the sink and we watch them just poof, melt right away. Our ice packs are sweat proof. I love these. A lot of ice packs, they sweat. So if they're in your picnic basket, everything gets wet. What's amazing about these is these are sweat proof. They have a soft lining and it absorbs any moisture. This makes them wonderful for picnic baskets. This makes them wonderful if you have something you want to keep chilled and you're packing with clothes. It's perfect. They're also incredible boo-boo bags, both for adults and kids. We're going to monitor the temperatures throughout the summer. And if you live in an area that falls into a warm or hot weather band and your order is $85 or more, this will be included for free in your order. If your order is under $85, there'll be a small $2.99 charge added to our regular $5 shipping. That just helps us cover all of our costs and enables us to source really sustainable biodegradable materials in order to provide cool shipping. Make sure your order gets to you as soon as possible. If you live in a warm weather state, we are going to expedite all packages USPS priority mail. In order to make sure that one of these guys doesn't get caught in a hot warehouse or a shipping truck over the weekend, we ship Monday through Wednesday. We don't want to add wax or other things to the Body Stone that don't feel good on the skin. So thank you for being a part of this and thank you for helping us during the summer months. Other things you can do, ship your package to a place where you know you or someone else is going to be to receive it. Maybe leave a note for the postman and say, keep packages in the shade, or try and grab that box within 30 minutes after it's been delivered. If you do open up your stone and it is a little soft and melted, that's okay, it's all right. Pop it in the refrigerator, not the freezer, in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it's gonna harden back up and be perfect and really cool to the touch and great on any sun exposed skin. Bonus there. If you do receive a melted stone, no worries. This summer, we are offering a no melt guarantee. Email us, we will make it right and we will get one of these little guys to your friends.